Welcome to Anne Bonny Bags. My name is Uni. Today we're going to make a 3D slip pocket. It sounds really advanced, but it's what it is a slip pocket that you use inside a bag, and it just has a little more room, so it's sticking out a little and makes this illusion of 3D, I guess. That's a fancy name I've seen on the internet, but it's just a slip pocket with a little more room. So that's what we're going to make today. Let's get started. The pocket will have a fold in the center that will make the pockets a little larger. Oftentimes when you make a slip pocket, this is the bottom and then this is the top. But when we use a decor strip like this, then this fold is the bottom and here is the top. So what we're going to do first now is press this so it's flat, and then we're going to sew this strip on. All we have to do is put this decor strip on. My decor strip is made of waterproof canvas, so it really does not fray. That's why I'm using it. Otherwise you should use vinyl or cork or even leather, because they don't fray either. But if you use regular fabric, you have to fold it another time on each side. I'm sewing through both layers at the same time. Don't get too close to the edge. And now we have the pocket ready. We are not going to sew the sides here because it's going to come in the side of the front of our bag. So what we want to do now is we want to make a fold. So we measure. Let's measure 1 inch. We don't want too much because then the pocket sticks out too much. We don't want that. Make sure it's pretty straight. And then we sew. Then we fold that out, spread that. So now we got a little fold here on each side. Now we can go and iron that and make it pretty. Here's our pocket now with this decor strip. Here's a little fold on the inside. And we are only going to make it go from side to side. Let's mark up the center on our little piece here. First we put it where the center is, because we might have a little extra on each side. So it will come there. This goes flat there. We have fastened this. What we'll do now is we can sew a little in the center there. Let's put a little pin in the center. Yeah, we have to look here and see that we get it really in the center. So all we got is a little extra room here. It's not much, but we don't want it to be too much either. So what I'll do now is I'll baste along the sides, sew along the bottom, and then fasten it in the center there. So only basting on the side, but on the bottom here we sew properly. Basting again in the side, because this is going to get caught in the side seam of the bag. And then I'll just sew a little in the center. I don't even have to sew all the way to the bottom. There it is. As you see, the pocket gives you a little more room than just when it's just straight across. Here is our 3D slip pocket. Thank you so much for watching this little video. Maybe you'd like one of my other tutorials for bag making. Have a wonderful day and good luck with your own slip pocket.